Hi everyone, my name is Ehsan, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to write an abstract for your research paper. If we go through the list of the videos that I have created so far, this video is video number 15. Abstract, as you can see in this research paper structure, comes right before the introduction. And that's a part that you have to advertise your work, because this part is available for everyone. Even if your paper is not free for download, people can still see and read your abstract. So you have to put a little bit of effort to make it, to shine. What is abstract? Abstract is a short summary that clearly explains the importance and the main discoveries of your research paper. And as you have seen so far, I like to go systematic about how to write some specific parts of the paper. And here I'm going to show you how to write the abstract with that approach in mind. Here I have broke down the abstract into 5 parts. Each part is 1 to 2 sentences, so you are going to have 5 to 10 sentences in total, and you are going to start with the purpose, then problem statement, then methodology, then major findings, and lastly the conclusion. So let's dive into this. I'm going to show you a really well structured abstract that looks like this. And as you know, I had one example, a bicolored apple, and I use that for many parts of videos that I have created so far, and this is no different. So I'm going to use that and tell you how to approach it like this systematic 5 parts. So let's dive into this, and I'm going to show you how to start with each part and just go through it. And like before, I'm not going to read the sentences for you. You can pause the video and read it on your own, but I'm going to explain why I have written this portion, what's the thinking behind writing this abstract. First, we are going to start with the why this matters. As you know, vitamin D is very important for our body. It helps with the bone strength, with the immune system, even the muscle function. But the thing is, you usually only find it in the animal-based foods like fish and dairy. Then we are going to explain the problem statement here. As you know, there are barely any known plant-based sources for vitamin D. And when it comes to apple, we literally have no report that shows that apple has vitamin D. So that's the gap that we want to explore. Then we are going to explain the methodology, and here we are going to say we use a genetic engineering to create a new kind of apple. It's a bicolored, red on one side, green on the other side, and then we are going to say what method we use so this apple is going to produce the vitamin D on its own. And the major findings. What's the result? We got an apple that doesn't just look cool, it also has vitamin D in it, which is the first time we are reporting that. So it's not just nutritious, it also pretty exciting innovation in the food world. And finally, the conclusion. This could really help fill the vitamin D gap for the people who mostly use plant-based food. Plus, it opens new possibilities for making other fruits more function through bioengineering. So here I showed you all the 5 steps that I'm thinking of when I try to write an abstract. Again, if you already know which journal you are going to submit your paper, before submitting your paper, it's really good to go and read the guide for authors. They might have some recommendation for the abstract. And this is the end of this video. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to write a title for your research paper. See you in the next one.